So, you've probably heard the term AI agent buzzing around lately. It's what everyone's talking about in tech, marketing, even content creation circles. But what does it actually mean? And more importantly, how can it save you time, make you money, and just take some annoying tasks off your plate? In this video, I'll break down what AI agents are, why they're blowing up right now, how you can use one today, and the tools to check out. Think of an AI agent like a smart digital assistant. It takes in data, processes what it means, figures out the best next move, and takes action, all without constant supervision. Perceive, think, decide, act. That's an AI agent. It's software that can operate autonomously to complete a task simply. It can play, learn, and adapt, and it's got a goal in mind essentially. So, a chatbot that can book your meetings, or it could be a tool that writes and schedules your posts, or it could be an AI that researches and summarizes and drafts a proposal. AI agents are such a hot topic. They are really having a moment because they do what busy professionals need the most. They automate the grind. So instead of asking ChatGPT to do one thing at a time, AI agents can plan and execute multi-step tasks on their own. And of course, some of the benefits of this are they can work while you sleep. They can automate admin and research. You can scale creative and strategy with these. And of course, it frees you up for much more high value thinking. So whether you're a content creator or a marketeer or a business owner, AI agents let you move faster, work smarter, and get more done. Now, you might be wondering, isn't this pretty much AGI? Not quite. AGI would think and learn like a human, but AI agents are very smart, but focused. So they are incredibly powerful, yes, but they're still designed for narrow tasks, not broad level human thinking just yet. The great news is that you don't have to wait. You can jump in and start using AI agents right now to make your life easier. Whether you're managing content, handling marketing tasks, or running a small business, there are tools out there ready to help. Now, it's worth noting that some AI agents come ready to go, like Rewind or Agent GPT. They're built to run tasks on their own. But for more customized workflows, you can combine tools like pairing ChatGPT with Zapier and Notion to build your own agent that works the way that you do. So here are some suggestions for you. And we've got the platform tool, what it does, if you need to combine tools, and the complexity level as well. So Intercom and Tidio AI, these are customer support agents and you don't need to combine anything. We have Drift and Exceed.ai, which are lead qualification bots. For email and funnel builders, we have Luna.ai and Copy.ai. For audio editing YouTube content, we have Pictory and Runway. For research assistants, we have Perplexity AI, of course, a biggie, and Humata. Rewind.ai is a personal assistant that tracks and recalls activity. And then we're going to get more complex here. So we have ChatGPT plus Zapier and Notion can give you a content planning agent. A little bit more complicated, but you can get a full content planning from end to end there, which is brilliant. We have Agent GPT as well, and this can customize autonomous task runners. And another combination with Zapier and OpenAI, you can turn ChatGPT into a workflow agent. And then for something more advanced, AutoGPT and Super AGI are multi-step task-solving agents. So even ChatGPT, when combined with tools like Zapier or browser extensions, they become an agent. And you can even use ChatGPT today on its own as a semi-agent by asking it to think, plan and take steps in a chain using the React method, and that's short for reasoning and acting. This approach combines decision-making with real-time actions, allowing AI to pause and think and retrieve information and act step by step. So there's quite a few step-by-step frameworks, so you can pop that in, ask ChatGPT or pop it into Google and you'll get some of those step-by-step frameworks. And this is how you get ChatGPT to behave more like an intelligent agent and not just a chatbot. So AI agents, they are not just hype, they are incredibly helpful and are going to get more and more helpful. They think, plan, act and automate the tasks that slow you down. And the best part, you don't need to know code, you just need to start. If you want to start using AI agents in your content, marketing or daily workflow, start small. Just pick one thing that you do every day and ask, could an AI agent do this for me? Let me know how you get on. Please hit subscribe for more real-world AI insights. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.